probably got it right side up. Let's there you go. There's some. Do. Just find one of those. Oh, we got an itch. Yeah, there's an itch. That's a well-known piece on Instagram. Been seeing a lot of stuff from Instagram that's nowhere around here, I believe. Unless those guys are from around here somewhere in Pennsylvania. But I've been seeing a lot of stuff that's on Instagram. There's Popeye. Yeah. Come on, there's gotta be some more good stuff. What are we doing? Stopping? Oh, here's a nice one. Now that is some nice color, and oh, the lettering says, but it looks cool. If I get somebody to do my YouTube logo on the side of my van like that, and on the hood, and then on the side do some. I'd like to find somebody to do some space, planets, moons. It doesn't have to be real planets or moons, just make it look like space and nebulas, and I want that on my driver's side. But people that are good at it want a lot of money, and well, I don't have lots of money. So I just enjoy the artwork on the trains when I see it. There's a nice piece. Look at that. And a woman. How can people do it? I mean, they spray paint this artwork. This is true artwork, because with a spray can, they make it look like a real woman, like a picture or a painting. And they can do it with spray cans. That is amazing to me. Is this the end of it? Is it? I can't tell. Nope, not yet. Well, they're gonna take a while to get the Lebanon at this pace. Do. Of course, now the itch didn't have the skull like it normally would. Tankers never have a lot of graffiti on them. Lumber. Lots of lumber. More tankers. Spans. And just little tags. This one's all loaded. They got flammable stickers on them. loaded. Skimp Funk Shinkyo. Whatever that means. Oh, there's some nice stuff. Scrap metal, well, that's filled to the gills. Knife. Telephone poles. Don't know what that says. Haven't seen a Mecro in a while. I'm kind of bummed out I haven't seen a Mecro. Lance, Jacob, that's a nice piece there. Another cartoon character. Oh, there's another cartoon character. See, now that is amazing. That is just, to me, it's amazing. What they can do with spray cans with all those different nozzle types. It's just amazing. Fortunately, those spray cans are way too expensive for me to buy them just to trial and error to try to make art of my own. I got it in my head, I just can't get it to come out my fingers, to my hands. Maybe someday I'll find an artist that wants to hook me up. I'll pay for the paint. I'll pay them for their time. I'll pay them for their time, but I just can't. I've had a few artists tell me, $5-10 grand to do the side of my van, just one side, and I'm like, sorry, that's out of my budget. And I wish they all went this slow so I could see all the I wish it went this slow when it was really a train with a lot of good graffiti. Normally they're zipping by so fast, it's hard to get a good video view of it. Yep, there's the end. Train's picked up speed. Let's see what kind of graffiti we got on this side of the train. this side than there was on the other side. Yep, there's the